So today we are going to discuss fifth module. So this is same for 18-19 batch as well as 16-17 batch. So we have two type of logical circuits. One is combination logic circuit, another one is sequential logic circuit. So main difference I underlined here, if no memory means combination logic circuit. If it has a memory means it is a sequential logic circuit. Examples here it is given: half adder, full adder, encoder, decoder. It doesn't have any memory. Suppose if you take flip-flops, registers, counters, it has a memory. So if memory is there, it is a sequential logic circuit. If memory is not there, then it is a combination logic circuit. So we'll see half adder. It's a very important topic from fifth module. It is a combination logic circuit, just now we discussed, used to add the two binary inputs and produces the sum and carry. Whenever if you add binary addition, sum and carry will be generated. So we'll see if I take two variables, how many combinations will come? 4 combinations will come. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, right? See, we'll see if I add these two zeros, then sum will be 0, carry will be 0. If I add 0, 1, sum will be 1, carry will be 0. If I add 1, 0, sum will be 1, carry will be 0. If I add 1, 1, sum will be 0, carry will be 1. So according to this, I can write the expression. See, sum is 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0 means, see, sum is having a higher value 1 in this state and this state, right? So now we can write a min terms. See, sum is 1 when a equal to 0, b equal to 1. So 0 means, we know in min terms, 0 means primed, 1 means unprimed. So a bar b. So a is primed, b is unprimed. So we got a bar b, and sum is here also 1. When a is 1, b is 0. So there also, so a means unprimed and b means primed. So a b bar. So a bar b plus a b bar means a exclusive b. So this is XOR output. If you have any doubt in logical gates, we have given already. In logic gates, just refer the XOR gate output. That is 0, 1, 1, 0. So a XOR b. So coming to carry, carry will be 1 when a is 1, b is also 1. So both are 1, so both are unprimed. So we are getting a into b. So according to this expression, now I can draw the logical diagram. See this logical diagram. So a exclusive b, to get a exclusive b output, we have to use a XOR gate. To get a into b, we have to use a AND gate. So that's it. This is the logical diagram of half adder. So we'll see full adder. Next topic, full adder. It is a combinational logic circuit used to add 3 inputs A, B, C and produces sum and carry. So 2 half adder circuits forms one full adder circuit. We'll see this later. But remember this, 2 half adder circuit can form one full adder circuit. And truth table expression logical diagram we'll see in the next. So we'll see the truth table now. So these are 3 inputs now. So A, B, C. So 3 input means how many combinations will come? 8 combination. 2 power 3 is 8. So start from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. And sum and carry. So if I add 0, 0, 0, sum will be 0, carry will be 0. 0, 0, 1 means sum will be 1, carry will be 0. 0, 1, 0 means sum will be 1, carry will be 0. 0, double 1 means sum is 0, carry is 1. 1, 0, 0 means sum is 1, carry is 0. 1, 0, 1 means sum is 0, carry will be 1. 1, 1, 0 means sum is 0, carry will be 1. And 1, 1, 1 means sum is 1, carry is also 1. See, now I have a sum values, that is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And carry value is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. See, according to this we can write a expression. See, just see this tabular and this expression. See, sum is having value 1 here when when A is 0, B is 0, C is 1. So 0 means, in min term 0 means primed, 1 means unprimed. So we got A bar, B bar, C. And next term, sum is having 1 here. When A is 0, B is 1, C is 0. So A having 0, that's why A bar, B is 1, so B, C is 0, so C bar. And sum is 1 here. When A is 1, B is 0, C is 0. So A is 1, so A, B is 0, so B bar, C is 0, so C bar. And the sum is having 1 here. When A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. So A, B, C. So all the 4 terms we got. Try to simplify this. See, I simplified this one. So I got A bar, B bar plus AB into C plus A bar, B plus AB bar into C bar. So finally this can be written as A exclusive, B exclusive, C. So this is the sum. And we'll see the carry. See, carry also having 4 ones here, 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 here. According to that, in the same way how we have written in the sum, in the same way we got the expression, logical expression for carry also, that is A bar BC plus AB bar C plus ABC bar plus ABC. And simplify this. So after simplification we got BC plus AC plus AB. So these are the 2 expressions, and one more way we can derive carry like this also. Actually this expression is used to represent a full adder with the help of 2 half adder circuits. For that reason we got one more expression for carry. So we'll see that circuit diagram, that logical diagram. See here, full adder actually we got by using a 2 half adder circuits. Just see this figure, we can understand. Here I used 2 half adder circuits to get the full adder outputs, right? See, if I'm giving A and B to the XOR gate, I will be getting A exclusive B. Then A and B given to the AND gate, I will be getting A into B. This is one half adder. Then this output is given to the one more XOR gate along with C. Then finally we will be getting A exclusive B exclusive C. This is the sum value of full adder, right? Then here also I am using one more AND gate to get A exclusive B into C. See, as I told you, we got this alternate expression to draw the full adder circuit with the help of 2 half adder circuits, right? Here I got C into A exclusive B. So that value, and here A into B is given to the OR gate. Finally we got A into B plus C into A exclusive B. So the same what we got here, the same we got here, right? So with this we understand that how with the help of 2 half adder circuits we are getting a full adder circuit, right? So we'll see next topic, that is encoder. Encoder means it has a 2 power n input lines and n output lines. So it is a combination logic circuit. See here, as I told you, input lines are 2 power n and output lines are n in numbers, right? So example, here we have taken 8 cross 3, that is 8:3 encoder. 8:3 means octal to binary conversion, right? So 8 inputs, 3 outputs. 8 inputs, 3 output lines. So we'll see the truth table of encoder. See, if I'm giving 0 here, D0 means 0, D1 means 1, D2 means 2, D3 means 4, D4 means 5, D5 means 6, D6 means 7, D7 means 8. Like that, if I'm giving a value here, suppose if I'm giving 0 here, so 0 means, generally we know, when you convert octal number 0 into binary means you will be getting 0, 0, 0. Similarly, 1 means 001, 2 means 010, 3 means 011, 4 means 100, 5 means 101, 6 means 110, 7 means 111. This we already discussed in the 4 to 1 system. So that is what given here also. This is a device which is used to convert the octal values into equivalent binary values. So that is called as 8:3 encoder, right? So D0 means 0 value, D1 1 value, D2 means 2 value, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, right? And these are the outputs we are getting. So these are the input octal values and these are the output binary values. So from the truth table we can write the expression. See, again I'll show you here. A is one of the 3 output, right? See, A is having ones when D4 is enabled and D5 is enabled, D6 is enabled, D7 is enabled. So in these 4 cases A is having 1. So we got A equal to D4 plus D5 plus D6 plus D7. Similarly for B, just I'll show you. So B is having 1 when D2 is enabled and D3 is enabled and when D6 is enabled and when D7 is enabled. So B equal to D2 plus D3 plus D6 plus D7. Similarly for C, just see in this tabular it is enabled alternatively. When D1 is enabled, C is 1. When D3 is enabled, C is 1. When D5 is enabled, C is 1. When D7 is enabled, that time also C equal to 1. So we got C is D1 plus D3 plus D5 plus D7. So this is the expression of encoder. So from this expression we can draw the logical diagram. I'll show you the logical diagram of encoder. Logical diagram for encoder 8x3. See, A equal to D4 plus D5 plus D6 plus D7. So in order to add all this input, what gate we need to use? Which gate? OR gate, right? So similarly here also on OR gate we use it to get B equal to D2 plus D3 plus D6 plus D7. And here also I am using one OR gate to get D1 plus D3 plus D5 plus D7. So this is a logical diagram for encoder. So we'll see the next topic, decoder. It is opposite to encoder. So it has n input lines and 2 power n output lines. So if I'm giving binary here, output will be octal. So it is a reverse process compared with the encoder, right? So it is a combination logic circuit. This is a symbol of decoder. An example here we have taken 3x8 decoder, that is 3:8 decoder, which means it is used to convert binary to octal, as I told you already. See, 3 inputs I am giving and 8 outputs I am getting. If I am giving 0, 0, 0 means equivalent octal value is 0, that is D0. If I am giving 0, 0, 1 means 0, 0, 1 equivalent value is 1, that is D1. Like that we will be getting 8 values. So we'll see in the truth table how we are getting that 8 values. So 0, 0, 0 means D1 will be enabled. 0, 0, 1 means D0 will be enabled. 0, 0, 1 means D1 will be enabled. 0, 1, 0 means D2 will be enabled. 0, 1, 1 means D3 will be enabled. 1, 0, 0 means D4 will be enabled. 1, 0, 1 means D5 enabled. 1, 1, 0 D6. 1, 1, 1 D7. Right? So binary value, these are binary value and these are the octal notations, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. So from this truth table we can write the expression D0 equal to A bar, B bar, C bar. Why? Because see here, D0 is enabled only one case, that is when A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 0. In this case only D naught is enabled, right? So we know very well 0 means primed. That's why A bar, B bar, C bar we got. In the same way we got all the 8 values. So this is the expression for decoder. From this values we can draw the logical diagram. We'll see how we are going to draw this logical diagram. See, this is the logical diagram for decoder. See, D naught means A bar, B bar, C bar. See, here I have taken A value, A bar value, B value, B bar value, C value, C bar value by using a NOT gate. Alright. So according to that, just I am giving to the AND gate. So totally 8 AND gates I am using to get this 8 output values. Alright, once you see, you can understand this figure. So this is the logical diagram for encoder 3 cross 8